Hi everybody, it's me, BLG. I wanna share to you my moments that turns into memories. I'm proud to myself that nakapag-travel abroad ako just for shopping. I've been buying stuffs or things in different countries, in Macau, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia, but at this time, I went to Macau to buy ng mga pabango. Abangan po natin ang coming na fragrances and perfumes ko soon. Coming from Hong Kong po ito, but I bought this in Macau. And this I'm going to sell soon. And also, please check in my postings if you want some of my fragrances or perfumes. Please send me a message. Please PM or inbox me for inquiries or reservations. It's only Moraita, murang-mura para sa masa. Kaya bili na po kayo, mga suki na makalugi. And please, I'm begging you to please share my online businesses or my pages to people or to your friends. Please share BLG online shop, BLG boutique, and BLG fragrances and perfumes, or perfumes and fragrances. I think so. Just check it out. Okay? And also, abangan nyo din po yung iba pang mga ipopost ko online. So, marami pa po yan na parating. Like bags, like clothing, accessories, at marami pa pong iba. Actually, plan ko pong umalis by next month sa ibang bansa or mag-apply ng visa going to Hong Kong or Japan. So sa ibang bansa, namimili po ako ng mga paninda na hindi nyo po yung iba nakikita dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, sa affordable prices. So, yung iba naman po ay nireregalo ko sa mga special people. Most especially, of course, sa anak ko, my one and only son, and to my family, my sisters, my pamangkins, my relatives. Okay? Thank you. Please don't forget to like and follow all my pages, and abangan nyo po lagi yung mga postings ko. Thank you for all your supports, for your views and followers. May God bless us all, and see you on my next postings, videos. Bye! Mwah!